Guys, so yesterday my car didn't start up. I think I've got some issues with my battery, so I'm gonna go ahead and check that out right now. So when I try to start it, put the ignition on and I go for the start, as you can see the battery's weak or dead. So let's go ahead and do a couple of tests. So to do that, I've got one of these portable jump starters to start the car up, and I've got a very basic multimeter tool to check the voltage of the battery. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and check the terminals that they're on properly. As you can see, just make sure all the terminals are not loose or anything like that. I'm going to go ahead and have a visual look at the alternator itself, make sure the belt is on securely. So I'm going to go ahead and plug the tool in. Positive on positive, negative on negative, just like so. I'm going to go ahead and turn the tool on, put it to 20 volts. You can see the battery is reading below 10 volts, and it should be 12 and slightly above. So at the moment it looks like the battery is very weak. So I'm going to go ahead and try to start the car up and see if the alternator is actually charging the battery or not. So I'm going to use this power pack. So I'm going to go ahead and start that up. As you can see, the voltage has already gone up because of the power pack. So I've started the car. So as you can see guys, the voltage has gone up to 14 and a half. So that clearly shows that the alternator is charging the battery. I'm going to try one last thing before I actually replace this battery. I have no idea what caused it to drain. It could be just because it's old and it's had its time, or it could be I've left like a light on or something like that that drained the battery. So what I'm going to do is leave it on charge overnight like so, and if that revives it, then great. As you can see, it's got an indicator here, green for okay, black for recharge, white for test, and I'm pretty sure I can see green in there. So yeah, if I can revive this battery, great. If not, a new battery tomorrow. I hope this video helped somebody. Let me know. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and until next time, peace.